Hi, hope you are good. So I have made the Google Sheet ready, the CSV file is ready. So I'm going to tell you the process and how you can write, how you can import by a CSV file. Let's just have an overview for this CSV file. This is the main CSV file, what is need to be designed. At the first row, we can see the settings. For the first row, I have added some things. This is the setting. The red things means please don't change this. This is the setting. This is the quiz name. Here should be the quiz name. If you go to the here, the first step, here's the first quiz for export. This is the quiz name. If I go there, uh, this is the quiz actually. Oh, I'm exporting it again. If I edit it, you can see this is the quiz title. First quiz for export. So this is the quiz title. So section B is quiz title. Here I have added the quiz name or quiz title. Name, title. You can put in column B. At this you need to delete the column names actually from here, because if you have this, you cannot import this one. This is just for a sample to you. Okay. Now this is the quiz description. If we want to have something here as a summary, we don't usually don't need to have this, because it will not show exactly, so we don't need to have this. And after this, this is the maximum minute, for how many minutes a student can participate here. Like the quiz is started and need to answer within 5 minutes, so you can set it 5. So it's calculated by minutes. So this is the unit of minutes. If you go here, you can see this one, the total for this quiz, only number, total time, sorry, only number, and it should be in minutes, and this is the unit, minutes. So please don't change it minutes, let's keep it as it is. This one is represent the quiz mode. Quiz mode is default. If I show you here, quiz, we have 3 quiz mode. First one is default, revolve and retry. 0 is default, 1 is revolve, and 2 is retry. And here is the maximum retry. If it's revolve, then you can make it 0 or something like that, but it need to be have a value actually. But if you have retry, you can put any value in between 1 to 20. Yeah, you can see quiz mode is 1, that's mean the revolve mode, but quiz maximum attempt time is 10. And this is the highest minimum number, minimum passing course percentage. So if they get at least 80%, yeah, you can see the 80%, if they get at least 80% number, then he will mark as pass, otherwise he will be fail. Maximum allowed to question, the I, column I is for maximum allowed to question. Yeah, I have remembered that. Sorry, maximum allowed to question. If the question is randomized means the question will be come randomly, then you can set a setting, that is suppose you have 10 question or 20 question in this quiz, but you want to allow the student to answer maximum 10 question, but question will become randomly. So you can just add it here 10, and if you don't set randomly, then question first 10 question will be come up, and if you set it randomly, so randomly 10 question will be picked and it will be show at the front end, then student can answer for that only maximum 10 questions. So if you put 20 question here, but student will see only 10 and they can answer maximum 10 questions. The next one, is 1. This one is represent quiz auto start. Here if I go J, column J is quiz auto start. Do you want to allow the students when they will be in quiz page, it will be auto started, like time will be auto started, or if you want to false, and then they need to start quiz, but they need to click on, student need to click on start quiz button to start. Okay. The next column is question pagination. This is the question layout type. if I go to the advanced setting, I can see question layout. So how we want to show them in the front end? We have four type of questions. Set question layouts is default, single question, question pagination. Question pagination is like the dashboard dash land dash. Question below each one other. So do you want to allow one all question in one page, which is question below each other? And at the right side, I have defined the values. Here you can see set question layout group. This is the first one. Question pagination, single question, and question below. So you need to put exactly same like this. Next one is question order. Question order, you can make it random, you can make it asynchronous, deasynchronous, and sorting. So random means randomly they will come up like 1 5 2 1, like any random number. Asynchronous is 1 2 3 4 a b c d e f g h. Deasynchronous is 100 99 98 97 z y x w, like this. And sorting is like it's alphabetically sorting. So asynchronous and sorting is exactly same, all three. And the next one is hide question number. Do you want to hide the question number? Like you have added 10 question 20 question, but you are allowing only 10 questions. So do you want to hide the number before the question that is it's a question number 5? So no one will understand that it's a question number 5. They will understand it's a serial question, so they will feel that this is the serial. And the last one is we have two more. The last one is for maximum character for short answers. Like if you get back from here, if you add a new question for short answers, this is a short answer. So short answer should have a explanation box. How many character you want to allow for maximum? It can be 140 to 1,000. I have mentioned here. Question short answer can be 40 to 500 maximum character, and open is same 100 to 1,000 maximum character. This is the setting bar. And let's move to the next one. Here we can see our question and answer will be in a 5 row. You can see the first is question. Under the question you can add unlimited answers as well. So these answers will be defined as this question. Okay, let's see it. This is the question title, and this is the question description. You can use any HTML here, and here is HTML is allowed, and here you can say it's too messy. The thing is, here I have put it a image. So if you want to add an image, you need to put image URL like this. So let me show you. If you know HTML design, let's see. Here should be an image, and the image is not getting as a source, but it should have a backslash before the colon. Should have a backslash before the colon. So you need to define the classes, define the images in like this. So if I show you, if you want to add any text, this is the text. This is the text. If I show you at here, let's get back from here. It was the first question. Let's see the first question. You can see this is the image, and after image this is the writings, which is here. This is the writings description like image. Maybe I missed something. and then we have an image is, I think we missed something. This, I think I have edited this one. This should be like this. You can directly put like this, no problem. But you need to just keep in mind that for every backslash, you need to add a for every column. So it's now same as this. The previous one was look like this. So everything, every inverted comma should have a backslash previous. Okay, that's it. You can use direct HTML. And after this is the question type. This is the question type, single choice or something like that. And after this, there's some settings. If you look for here, there are some settings like, is the answer is required. First one is the F number is the answer is required. If yes, then 0, then 1, otherwise you can put 0. And the next one is it randomized? You can make it false or true. I prefer true. It's depend on type. How many do you want to, how many points should be for the answer? Like 5 points. And how do you want to display the point? No. Okay, that's it. And after that, that's it. This one is extra one. I don't think it's have any cause. Okay, let's now move to the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer type. You can, I think all answer will be image actually. Okay, image. All answer is now image because I have added all answer as an image. But it was like here I have put it only text. That's why it was. So this should be also image. So this, the question answers are in image. And is this answer right? Is this answer right? There's 4 answer, right? Is this answer right? No, the number D is right. You can see the number D is right. This is a random ID. You can just put an ID, no problem. But you need to make sure that you have an ID. Like sorry, you need to put an ID serially. Just serially put an ID. Just it. It can be up crest, down crest, no problem. But need to be unique. After that, here is the one. Sorry, this is the attachment ID. I'm sorry, this is the attachment ID. How you can find the attachment ID? You need to find it from here. Attachment ID. When you will upload attachment ID means the as you have option as an image. So there you cannot define the image directly, but you can define the image ID. So how you can get the image ID? You need to get the backend and the media. Here let's say you have uploaded a image. Okay, let's say I have uploaded this one. For now, let's see. And if you hover on here, hover on edit, you can see at the bottom you can see the post number, which is 49478. So 49478, I'm hover on it. Here I can see 49478. This is the 49478. So this is the image ID. If you have image as an option, then you need to put the ID here. Otherwise you can put the text to be answered. Okay, and what is the serial? This is the serial. This is the first one, two, three, four. This is the serial. That's it for questions and answer. Let's cover it again. So after four answer, we need to put the question again before answer. So it's another question. Question. This is the, just put it question answer, so it will recognize as a question. This row is for question. There is the question text. There is the question details. I mean question description. Question type. You can see there was a single choice. Let's wait a minute. Sorry, I did a mistake. Everything should be here. Should be here, and all of the things should be one step before. Okay, so this is a single choice. The this should be the this is the description box, and this should be the question type. Okay, and how many minutes? No, it's not the minute. Single choice. After that, there was what? I forgot. The answer is required or not. The answer is required. Randomized. Point. Is it display or not? And this one is extra. Okay, this one is for uh, with extra. It's an extra things. Okay, true or false. Its answer is required. Question number two. This is a question number two. Right. Question number two. The point. Randomize. You can just export one thing with different settings, and you will understand easily. Okay, here one I can see the beer data Seward's one. This one is like maybe this one is also display point. So you can skip it, no problem. You can just skip it. You can skip it. Some things are not mandatory. Some things are not mandatory. So we don't have here as well. Here another question. Okay, let's say after the question, we need to follow up the answers. The true, false. The when it's true, false, we need to define it before image, before statics. Okay, for single choice, this box was blank, right? But for true false, we need to put it here. This is for text. This is for text. If you want to have any text, then you can put the text here. But you don't right now. We don't have any text for single choice, only image. So we are not putting the text here. So this is for text. And this is the false answer. This is the right answer. Okay, this is the wrong answer. This is the right answer. The value is true and false. um, this is the other settings. It can be randomized. Okay, and there's the another question is also single choice, and this is the description. Here is the question number. Question number, is it mandatory? How many points? How many? Is it randomized? Is it show the display point should be displayed or not? And the answer is same. Text is there is no text for this answer, and only images. The C number C is the right answer, and this is the attachment ID, and this is the serial of this. This is the number C, and this is the right answer. So this is how you can easily define the questions. Just put answer, question first, and some answers, and make sure which answer is correct in this row. So the thing is, you cannot have any topic here. You cannot have any title here. This is the problem, but I don't think it's a problem. Let's edit. I just edited it, and let's import. Let's save it first. Now desktop, quiz for export, escape. I just renamed it to escape. Okay, a CSV file has been imported. Sometimes saving can be made a problem, can be made a conflict. but don't worry, it will be fixed. Maybe some comma can be, yeah, you can see first quiz has been imported, already imported. I can see everything is here, all questions are here, and everything is fine now, everything I can see. So if I go edit, is true false, back, is single choice, and images also come. So everything is fine now, so I hope you get it. Let's try you by yourself, just do one here manually and then export it. You will see the structure and you will understand easily. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the video, and thank you so much for your time as well. And I have one more request to that. After this video I'm going to deliver this order. If please don't put it in revision. If you need anything from us, just let us know, we will do. We usually we give 3 months support after completion of the order, so don't worry about anything, any edit or something like that. But don't put the order in revision, it's so harmful for our account, as you know. So just let us know if you need anything from us, and if you need any tutorial, if you need any changes there, just let us know, we will do that. Thank you so much. Myself Shakib Shaun. I hope we will be in a good relationship for a lifetime. And that's all for now. Have a good day. Bye.